guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing another Mercari video on how I edit my pictures before I upload them. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you guys could be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, let's get right to the video. So one of the things that I have been doing is I've been using a white background for my photos, and I make sure that they look clean and crisp, and I make sure that the photo has good lighting before I upload it on Mercari, and I make sure that basically whatever I'm selling, it looks good in the picture. So it's like if you guys were to go to a store like a Forever 21, I mean Forever 21 doesn't exist basically no more, but if you guys went to a clothing store and everything is laid down correctly, everything is neat, and it just gives a better vibe, and you're more likely to buy from that store if it's like everything's neat. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I actually got a whiteboard from Dollar Tree. I got like a whiteboard and a white paper from Dollar Tree so I could use a white background, because I have carpet, so I can't really use the floor. So I use the whiteboard. This whiteboard, you see it's flat. It's like when you guys did like science projects in school, and it's like one of those boards. You guys could also use a science board too, and I have this one, and I have this black one like to do my pictures on it, so everything looks clear and nice. So that is what I recommend you guys doing, going to Dollar Tree and buying some of these, because who doesn't have $1, and $1 is enough for you to make sales on Mercari. So usually I just lay the shirt down on there, or like the shorts on there, and then I edit it on Facetune. And I'm gonna show you guys what kind of apps I use with my phone. I'm gonna show you guys like a little walkthrough. But yeah guys, if you guys are going to be selling, make sure that you guys have good lighting and you guys have a good background. And it doesn't matter if it's wrinkled, like if the shirt's wrinkled, but it would be better if it wasn't wrinkled, so you guys could take some time actually ironing the clothes. But I think I sold a couple of things that were kind of wrinkled, but not like crazy wrinkled, like not like so crazy wrinkled like oh my god it looks ugly. It was just like, oh, I threw it in the closet wrinkled. So yeah, so right now I'm going to show you guys on my phone what I'm talking about and how I edit my pictures, so you guys could see. So I'm going to show you guys how to edit the picture. So what I usually do is I go to Facetune. I usually use Facetune, and as you guys could see, like there's a picture of me. So I usually whiten the backgrounds in my photo sometimes when I edit the picture. So that is like the same thing that I do whenever I upload a picture on Mercari. So let's just say, for example, they were my sister's leggings that I was selling. So I would just whiten the background, put whiten and whiten the background. And as you guys could tell, I mean, nobody's walls are this white, unless, I don't know, but I usually whiten the walls, and just to make it look pretty, that's what I do. And I usually crop it so it looks nice. And I also adjust the detail sometimes, like if there's not enough detail. I think you guys have to pay for Facetune, but I'm not sure. But that's usually what I do, so they could really see like the product and they could be comfortable buying it. And I think that's why a lot of people have been buying from me, because this is what I've been doing. But one thing with this, I don't want you guys to like over exaggerate too, like to put the basically like the leggings like as the color that they're not even the color of, or basically over editing it like this. Like this is not even what it looks like in person. And you guys want to be as honest as possible on Mercari, because that is how you get sales. So yeah, don't over exaggerate. with the pictures, you could do filters, but just don't over exaggerate. And that's how I would upload it to Mercari. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys another example like this one. You guys could whiten the background and just make sure that you guys take a good angle so you guys could sell it quick. And again, don't over exaggerate on the editing. I usually just whiten the background. And as you guys could see, it looks way better like this. And yeah, before after, it looks better. Like, which one would you guys buy? And yeah, that's honestly what I've been doing, and I've been literally selling out of everything that I've been literally selling. And yeah, so just make sure that you guys use a good background and a white background, and you guys don't exaggerate, and make sure that you guys get the detail on the shirt, obviously not exaggerated, and make sure that the shirt's not wrinkled. But if it is wrinkled, it doesn't matter. Like, some people will still buy it. But yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this little tutorial, and if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.